Hello, my name is Crystal Meldrum with OrganizeYourJoy.com. This is my friend. We're organizing her linen closet today, so we took everything out, washed off the shelves, and now we are putting the containers in. Now, don't just get any containers. You want to get the right containers. There's 4 container rules. You want to get square over circle because it uses up every inch of space. And then you want to get rid of the lids. Because if you have a lid, that means you're asking your family to take up the lid, put the item in, put the lid back on. And they most likely go to the path of least resistance, and they'll put the objects in front of the container instead of inside the container. So just get rid of all your lids. And then rule number 3 is let the container only fill the space 70% of the way. This way, the hand can drop items in, and it's another way to insist in one hand motion. If this container, like, do you have any bad containers we could show an example of?
Yeah, those tall, big ones.
Okay. So she's going to show a bad example that goes all the way up to the top edge. Then the family has to pull things out, pop it in, push it back, and we want to make it as easy as possible for your family to organize. Okay. Awesome. So, well,
it was worse. There was one that was worse, but it's in the other room anyway.
Yeah, see this one is quite tall. I mean, it still does work. It's at least 90% of the vertical, so it still does work. But if it comes all the way and touches the top,
Yeah.
that's bad. And then your last thing is that you want your container to go all the way from side to side. So you want it to come to the front edge of the shelf and side to side. If you put the container in like this and you have all this empty space right here, people will not put things in the container that's nicely labeled. They'll put it in front of the container. So just make sure you put all your items up to the front edge of the shelf. Even if you need to put a little box as a spacer behind it, that way the family will respect the space and you will have fantastic organizing. Okay, let's put it in.
Okay.
We finished labeling and organizing this linen closet. We've got queen sheets, and then, oh, here's one. I haven't labeled the shelf. Here we have the before and after organizing the linen closet. We have labeled the shelves and the containers. That way, when the family takes a container out, when they come to put it back, they'll know where it goes. And so good luck organizing your linen closet. You can do it. And this is Crystal with OrganizeYourJoy.com to help you with your organizing goals.